If you've been getting that annoying Miss Gaming overlay pop-up on Windows 11, don't worry. Today I'm going to show you the quickest and most reliable way to make it disappear for good. This method works on the latest Windows 11 builds in 2025, and you only need a few clicks to get everything back to normal. Let's jump right in. This message usually appears when Windows tries to trigger the Xbox Game Bar or the old game DVR system, even if you don't use any of those features. Luckily, fixing it is super simple. All we need to do is tweak one setting in the registry. Start by opening your Start menu and typing Registry Editor. When it appears, click to open it. This window might look a little intimidating, but don't worry. I'll guide you through exactly where to go. On the left side, expand the folder called HKEY_CURRENT_USER. Next, open Software. Scroll down until you find Microsoft and expand it. Then scroll again and open the Windows folder. Inside that, expand current version. Now look for a folder called Game DVR. Once you see it, click on it. You don't need to expand anything inside, just select the folder. At the top of the right panel, you should see an entry called App Capture Enabled. Double click it and change the value data from 1 to 0. Click OK and that's it. Your overlay pop-up should be gone. But if you don't see that file, don't worry. Just right-click the empty space on the right side, select New, then choose DDWord 32-bit, value initial, name it App Capture Enabled. Did you press Enter, then double-click it and set its value to 0. Press OK to save. Once that's done, you've fully disabled the feature that causes the pop-up. No more interruptions, no more unexpected messages. Your system should be error-free. If this helped you out, feel free to drop a quick comment or like. Your support keeps these tutorials coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.